You know, it's 2 a.m. again. You're lying there in the dark, staring at the ceiling. The house is quiet, but your mind, wide awake, and you can't help but wonder, when was the last time I actually slept through the night? For so many people over 60, this is the part no one warns you about. You don't just get a few more wrinkles or slower knees, you lose that deep, uninterrupted sleep you once took for granted. And the next day, you feel it. Every single minute. Groggy mornings, heavy eyes, low energy, and sometimes a little more cranky than you'd like to admit. Now here's the thing. You've probably tried the usual fixes. Herbal teas, warm baths, maybe even those pricey miracle supplements they advertise on TV. But they don't always work. Or worse, they leave you feeling off. So, let me tell you something that might sound a little strange. The solution could be sitting in your kitchen right now. Garlic. Yeah, I know. Garlic is for pasta, right? Not bedtime. But here's the truth. Garlic isn't just a flavor booster. For centuries, it's been a natural remedy for all kinds of health issues. It's packed with antioxidants, it supports your heart, and it boosts your immune system. But here's the secret most people don't know. It can also help your body relax, really relax, so you can drift off and stay asleep. The magic comes from compounds inside fresh garlic, like allicin and natural sulfur elements. These help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and even balance certain hormones linked to sleep. That means less pain keeping you awake, better blood flow to help your body fully relax, and calmer nerves thanks to a boost in your body's natural feel-good chemical, serotonin. Now, and this is important, you don't need a pile of garlic to feel a difference. You just need to use it the right way. Here's what to do. Take one fresh clove, not powdered, not from a jar, fresh. Peel it. Crush it gently to release the good stuff. Then, warm it in a little milk, or stir it into a teaspoon of honey. The milk makes it soothing, the honey adds a touch of sweetness, and both help your body settle down for the night. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed. Some people even slip a peeled clove under their pillow. Sounds funny, I know, but some swear the scent clears the airways and gives them a calming space to sleep. It's harmless, and who knows, might work for you too. Here's the exciting part. A lot of folks notice a difference in just 3 nights. They fall asleep faster, wake up fewer times, and feel more refreshed in the morning. Now, is garlic some magic cure? Number. If you have serious insomnia or health concerns, talk to your doctor. But for many seniors, this tiny change works without expensive pills or complicated routines. And think about it. Better sleep means better mood, sharper memory, stronger immunity, and healthier blood pressure. Sleep is the foundation for everything. When you fix that, so many other things in life start feeling better. So, here's my challenge. Try the garlic method for the next 3 nights. Notice how you feel in the morning. If you wake up more rested, keep going. You deserve peaceful nights, energized mornings, and days where you actually feel like you. Don't let another night slip away in frustration. Sometimes the answer is as simple as something you've had in your kitchen all along. And hey, if you try it, come back and tell me in the comments how it worked for you. Your experience might help another senior finally get the rest they've been missing. If you found this helpful, give this video a like so more people can see it, share it with a friend who needs better sleep, and subscribe so you don't miss more natural health tips made just for people in their best years.